Tech enthusiasts are welcome to DriftMate. In today's video, we're going to talk about a way to earn money by uploading free music. Currently, many people in the world are making money with this method. This is the proof of that. Okay, let's go to the video. Okay, the name of this site is Up Forever. So, the first thing you need to do is to create an account for it. You can easily create it by clicking the sign up here. If you have an account, you can log in here. Okay, now you will get a space like this. Click on My Account. Okay, now how do we get free music for this? Don't worry, that's what this Pitbase site is for. This is a popular free stock site in the world, so you can download the music you want easily from this site. Okay, now let's see how to upload the music we downloaded to this. Okay, for that, click on the upload files here. Now select the music file from here. Give a little description here. Now the music file has been uploaded. We have to add a price to it. Go to My Files here. Now, in front of the music you uploaded, there is a pencil icon like this. Click on it. Now enter the price list and a small description like this, and put the tick in the public and submit. Okay, our work is done. Upload as much music as you can in this way. Consumers all over the world buy these. Consumers all over the world buy these. Over time, you can earn a lot of income from this and become a successful man. And you can easily get the money from this through PayPal. So, if you think this video is good, please give it a like. Leave a comment with your opinion, and don't forget to share it with others. And subscribe me. See you soon with another video.